Today we're making a black pepper beef stir fry. I make a lot of black pepper dishes here, so obviously I love a black pepper. Now this is my ultimate favorite black pepper sauce recipe. It uses minimal ingredients but so rich and addictive. So let's go. First, let's talk beef. I have here a piece of flank steak. It's a cheaper cut of steak that is great in stir fries. Now, a couple of tips to ensure tender bites of beef, especially for cheaper cuts. First, you want to cut against the grain. You also want to cut at an angle, basically tilt your knife at a 45-degree angle before cutting the beef. Maths. Finally, to cut it thinly, so something like this would be perfect. And then we are marinating the beef slices with a very simple marinade of just light soy sauce and cornstarch. Give all of that a good stir, and we're not going to be marinating this for too long, just until you prepare the rest of the ingredients. Next, our black pepper sauce bowl of efficiency. Now first, we are going to be needing a dark sweet soy sauce or a Kicap mayonnaise. This is oyster sauce. We need this for the saltiness and the umaminess. Tomato paste concentrate goes in next. Now you can also use tomato ketchup, but I much prefer using tomato paste because it's more rich in taste. And of course, the most important ingredient, black pepper. Finally, add some water for a saucier, saucy sauce, and you want to give all of that a nice good stir. You can give it a taste test and it should taste amazing, but since I love a black pepper, I'm just gonna be adding more here. Excuse me please. And your black pepper sauce is done. Okay, let's cook. This is going to be a very quick process, okay? In a pan, add some oil, and once it's hot, we are first pan frying the marinated beef slices. Just spread them out on the pan like this, and we are getting a nice sear on the beef first. Now, beef cooks very fast. Make sure you flip it to the other side halfway for a more even sear. Or just do what I do here and just stir fry the beef this way. That works too, to cook the beef through. And then toss in some sliced ginger, onions, and garlic. Give that a stir fry, and once it's fragrant, add in your vegetables of choice. I have here, of course, the classic red and green capsicums for some color and also that nice sweet crunch. Give that a quick stir fry and then add in the black pepper sauce bowl. Once the sauce bubbles, add in a cornstarch slurry to get this sauce all nice and thick and glossy. Just like this. And you are done. I love this quick and easy but so full of flavor dish. This goes so great when served with some rice, but sometimes I would just make the sauce by itself and have it with some steak or pan-fried chicken. It is so good. Love black pepper as much as I do? Then go check out these other recipes next. Go now. Go. Okay, bye.